This is BBQ Chicken, or his Latin name, BBQ Chickenus.
Did you know that the barbecue chicken, also known as barbecue chickenus, has an instinct to eat and blend in?
When Year 6 pupils are in assembly or doing hard tests, BBQ Chicken and his friends take advantage of that and have a party.
Con los terroristas.
Where's that chicken gone?
BBQ Chicken is a webbed foot creature with green, orange and brown skin that can survive in the harshest conditions, such as heat and freezing cold. Oh, what a mysterious looking creature! What have I done? BBQ Chicken is very scared of Year 6 pupils, as you can see here.
A well-known fact is that there is only one barbecue chicken species left in the whole entire world.
As many humans have not sighted this unique and beautiful creature, he has two blue eyes that help him see in the dark.
What is that?
He's got three sharp claws that help him climb up shelves carefully. As a result, he can hide from tall Year 6 pupils. BBQ Chicken has flightless wings that are green and camouflage in the field outside. So he knows when Year 6 predators are coming, so he can wiggle back to the Year 6 classroom. When exploring, he finds new adventures. BBQ Chicken has orange, green and brown fur, hence he can hide in the dressing rail. Pod pens are a common food eaten by BBQ Chicken. BBQ Chicken acts like a bin as he eats up all the brioches that were dropped on the floor by Year 6 pupils.